Hey, what's up, Humor? Alright, have a good night's sleep, awesome one. What's up, Nope Suit? Corner wall and those. I think those would make good shields. Yeah. Or reflecting things. Love the autocation where notifications work properly. Oh, did you get a notification for this stream? Alright, so let's go with... Oh, actually those look better. Is there a corner on that though? I don't think there's a corner for these. That definitely looks more reflective. Hope the game goes well. Thanks. Hey, what's up, Clock Socks? Been waiting all day for this stream. Need someone else doing some more thing. Yeah, same. I've been waiting all day. I've had a bunch of errands to run and stuff. So I could use that. Trying to decide what I want to use for the reflective walls now. I like the shape of these roofs, but they don't have like a corner piece for attaching them. If I were to turn them on the side, on this side. I could try it and see what it looks like. If it doesn't look right, I can try this. Let's go with that quarter roof. So that was under... Right, here we go. This. No. Just... Okay, that's in. Let's see, it went to here. I don't know why all the meshes are offset so much in this kit. Okay. Transform, reset your position to there. Rotate you on your side. Yeah, that should be good. And then, or should I rotate it? Faces down the Z-axis. Turn it. That is forward. There we go. Okay, and add on a collision shape. Let's see. This should be, X should be 0.5. Y should be, doesn't matter what Y is. Z should be 0.2 maybe. Yeah, should be good. And then music is so nostalgic. Yeah, it's so good though. Let's skip the waiting room here. There we go. Let's see, I'll put you in a group for this. Reflective, I guess. Oh, and I noticed a bug in a level I need to fix real quick. I was testing earlier. That's what it was. You were on the wrong layer. Or on the wrong height. There. That was broken. Okay, fixed. And check that off. I think I got that one right. I guess I didn't write it down. Yeah, StarCraft 1, way better sound design than StarCraft 2, I think. In every way. Sound design is so much better. Let's see. So that's good. Let's try adding this to a level. Oh dang, I forgot to do my wrist exercises to prevent carpal tunnel. Just feeling a little sore. I need to get one of those wrist pad things. Templates. Okay, you, I don't know, first reflect, or I'll introduce it in this level. Here we are. And let's get rid of the bounce box. Place my arms with robotic templars. It would be nice. You just endure the wrist pain, but you don't need to. You can just do stuff to get rid of it. Let's get rid of cargo ships and all that. Don't need you guys. I should really learn how to play this on something. These need to be bigger. Let's double your size. How visible is that? It seems alright. Should I make it bigger? I feel like I'm not going to have them at that size. I should probably scale it out, like, on the X more. Whoa, that's not the X. That's not the X. Global on the X. There we go. And your X, 2. Should that be good? Or should it be more? Let's see. If this is on the boss, I guess I could always change it, whatever. I can always make more. And let's make so bullets will reflect off of them. So if you collide with something, if call.collider. Is in group reflective, then return. And I want to change our, what is that? Bounce off the normal, right? Where would that be? That's going to be under player, right? Do you have reflector code? No. It's under spaceship code, right? This. Velocity equals that. So if I go to player, I want to do that, except it's just using the direction it's facing. So I just need to rotate its direction, right? So can I just set this to equal this equals -r maybe? Would that work? Oh, and this would be this. So our direction call equals that. Let's see if that works properly. Is StarCraft OC not making your DMC go crazy? I would be very surprised if it is, because I just watched people playing StarCraft Brood War on Twitch and the music is in the background. So, I mean, no one would be able to play it. I doubt Blizzard would be very happy with that. We'll find out. Let's see. Okay. If I go into this scene, what happens? Why didn't that work? Oh, it's because I got these ships in here. I want to get rid of both of these. Let's test out PPAP. What is that? Oh, and let's turn off the music. Oh, look, it is reflecting, but it looks awful. See, it's because it's not actually rotating it. It's like, right? It's changing just one vector on the basis, I think. That's the problem. So I need to rotate it I get the angle between. Such an annoying way to do this. I feel like DMCA is gonna hit harder on non-game musics, yeah. Oh yeah, and I don't understand what PPAP means. Let's see. Yeah, that's I am using the reflection algorithm. It's just how am I gonna actually rotate the bullet is the annoying part, right? Because I can't just see this is its forward direction, but I can't just set its forward direction to be the reflection vector because that's gonna mess with the other vectors in the basis and make it look scaled weird. So I just need to actually rotate it. Bullet, no, rotation. I need to say rotate. Can I do this? Rotate on the vector 3 dot up by the angle between our forward dot angle. Why isn't this working? Forward dot angle. That's annoying. Can I do this and will it let me do it then? Dot angle to R. There we go. Have I faced any problems related to performance using GDScript? I mean, yeah, but I had bad computers and like, it was always like fixable problems, I feel like. It wasn't anything like that stopped me from making my game. Okay, that's better. Now it works and it doesn't scale weird. Oh, that's not right. That's not right. See, it works there. See, it's not working there. That's the problem. Oh, the bullets don't hit you because I made so they won't. You're in the excluded group. I should make that clear or something. I should make the excluded group clear after a certain amount of time or something. They're currently reflective planes, yeah, walls, but the reflections aren't working properly. The rotate method is dumb and weird and I don't understand it. It's like, is it rotate object local? Is it global rotate? Which one am I supposed to use? They all seem to do the same thing in the documentation. What's up, Lucas? Okay, so yeah, that angle works. That angle does not work. I don't know what's going on here. We get the angle too. Oh, it's because I need to get the dot product between them maybe or something? Based on the direction, right? I get the angle, maybe I need to get the angle difference. Music getting more intense makes this funny. Oh my god. Oh, can I just do dot rotation or something? Can I just set our rotation to, if I say var v2 equals vector 2 r dot x r dot z, and then set rotation dot y equal to rv2 dot angle. Would that do it? Okay, I think I have it flipped or something. No, it works on that side, but now it doesn't work on the other side. Rotation of the shot be the difference in the angle and 80 degrees. No, I don't think so. So you get this reflection vector here, and I want to face down this reflection vector, but I can't just set the basis dot z to be that. Or maybe I could, I guess, if I went, so if I just said rotation dot z equals negative r, and then I also set the x to equals the r dot rotated along the vector 3 dot up by, what is 90 degrees? Is it half of pi? I think it's half of pi. And I think that would fix it actually. And then, let's see. Because the vector, the y is going to be the same always, right? Yeah, okay, that fixed it. deal with annoying vector math stuff. Oh, what? Why are some of them going that way? That's weird. Oh, it's because I'm hitting the corner, right? Of course, that makes sense. Okay, so now it's working. I feel like I should make these reflector walls larger because I'm not going to really use them in small pieces very often. I can make 2. So let's duplicate this and say small bullet reflector. And then small, and then I'll make a bigger one. So I don't want to have to like add them all in a bunch of times. Okay, so make you like 4 or just 2? Yeah, let's do 2. And then this one will be 4. No, is it 8? Or is it just 6? There we go, it's just 6, okay. And then there we go. So I got that. I can move this out to there, I guess. Rotate it 180. Rotate this. Two in there, and at the corners they're not joined is the problem. If I moved it back, that would work. I should just extend them out at the edges a little bit, probably. Actually, I should make these go in, because then the bullets won't look like they're sticking through it, I feel like. So if I moved it in by 0.5, there. And if I look here, then they kind of stick into each other, but I feel like that kind of works for the aesthetic. Maybe? That kind of works. Makes them look joined. Is it a wall of asteroid, so you have to bounce levels around? I was thinking of just making it... Oh, the bullets kind of look weird, yeah. Because they start... I think they start at the beginning or is it? Yeah, they start at the end of this thing. So I feel like there should be a hide timer or a show timer. Timer, show, and then one shot, connect the timeout to show, and every time you bounce, we'll say hide and then call the show timer. Hide, call the show timer dot start, and yeah, that should be good. And I'll just make this a really low value, like 0.001. So it'll disappear for a second on hit. Felix Reach, Geometric Sci-Fi, thanks. It needs to be less of a timer, or more of a timer. Day 3, Gnarly Hustle, thanks dude. Intro level is just going to be this with some ships flying around. I feel like that would be good enough. It'll kind of introduce the concept to you. And then, that's kind of right over the edge. Yeah, that's right. That's good. So if I kind of put this there, that should be the center, I think. I really should have made the level centered around the axis there. That would have been easier. I guess I can do it in different templates. Oh wait, no, it can't because of the camera settings. I'm just gonna put the block there. I don't want it to interfere too much yet with the player. Just something they can notice and like kind of mess with. Oh, that is not way too much time. Okay, so if I half that, that's gonna be too much. So let's say it's not gonna be enough. Yeah. Okay, that's a little better. I still feel like it's maybe too much. So what if I did 1.5? Now it looks like it's sticking through. It's bouncing weird. Is that a good amount? I feel like it should like spawn a little effect there or something when it bounces, right? I should add that to the to-do. Put like a little effect there, you know? Maybe I shouldn't have it like that. trying to think, what would be an interesting level? I think actually, yeah, I should put more in here. So let's just drop one of you in here. Give some like little variety to the setting. Put one of you over here. Yeah, like a little sparkle or something effect. I'll have it go on the bullet itself. Okay, something like there I think would be good. What's its rotation? 135, yeah, that's good. 45-degree angle. There we go. There we go. Oh, but you spawn there. Hang on. Oh, I'll just move you outside of it. And then... Oh, I think you'll die automatically. Yeah, I don't have it changed to not kill you. You spawn outside. There we go. Whoops. There we go. So now you have that. I feel like I should make the bullets explode after a certain number of like hits. I also need to make so they will hit you if they bounce too many times. I like that. That's a fun effect. Yeah, that's a fun effect. Tunnel of mirror, you can zigzag bullets down. I might, but I'm thinking more of like, I want to challenge the player to be more careful with how they're aiming. Because if they're not careful, they'll end up hitting themselves. So like, let's see, bake this. Let's drop in a ram ship or two. Right, let's put two over here. Oops, seems like you run into it immediately. That's too easy right now. Maybe I should just have the reflectors all over the map on this level. Right, like that. And then that one. Put it inside so you can't even bounce off the walls. You two there, and you two there, and yeah, we'll just, I think it's alright if I overlap it. It shouldn't give any like texture Z fighting, considering they're all the same material. Hey, what's up, I'm Nick. Yes, I am. Tracks, I am turning into a full game. Player needs to start in a different location. It is not a good location. Right there. Oh, it's definitely a lot harder when you can't bounce off of things. Whoa. Okay, but I need to make so the bullets hit you. Add collision exception with, let's see, remove player collision exception, we'll say. Player collision exception timer. That's not a spell exception. And I'll just connect this. And if we bounce, I'll remove it. So if we shoot right at a wall, and then I will have this. One shot after 0.1 seconds maybe. Yeah, that should be fine. Actually, it only needs to get removed if it bounces, right? Okay. So for body and I don't really track that, do I? Let's see. Use to exclude. Let me see, what player is the player in a group? It's not in a group. Let's add you to the player group, right? Oh wait, hang on. Yeah, it is in a group, okay. That's correct. So I'll just go through here. Our player excluded player ref equals null. So all I have to do is just check if body dot is in group player, then player ref equals body, and then when we remove it, we just say remove collision exception with player ref. If player ref is a valid instance, then remove collision exception with that and set it to be null. There we go. So that should make so we can hit ourselves. Cooking up some more levels. Yes, I am. Hey, code dev. There. So now I can hit myself. I feel like this is almost too hard now. Okay. Oh, maybe a dot. It's really easy to hit yourself now. Yeah, you have to act with a lot more finesse now. Let's see. Should bullets decay? Yeah, I was thinking of doing that after a few bounces. But there we go. Yeah, you can get it if you line it up right. They also will die after 10 seconds. It's another thing they have. There we go. Yeah, I'll add a bounce limit. Let's see. Times bounce equals 0. Bar max bounces equals 5. Let's say. Times bounce plus equals 1 if times bounce is greater than max bounces. Then we want to destroy, right? I don't know. Destroy or something. And then I'll call that here. There we go. And call that here and return. No, not you. This one. Yeah, okay. You can see they blow up after a few bounces. Everyone, okay, there we go. Everyone thinks that I'm using Windows XP, because I am actually. This is Windows XP. Okay, there we go. That's level 1 for today out of 10. So let's do let's put this after the final boss. So, bullet reflector, that's level 1. Let's see, template. I need to add the bullet reflector to the template. Bullet reflector, there we go. And then we go here, let's duplicate, I'll call this level parabola. And there we go. Maybe they should lose speed on impact. I mean, they go so fast and they die so quickly, I feel like. Maybe I should just change the number of bounces. Okay, so you are gonna go here. Let's see, like that. That's the center. Maybe that. I'm gonna figure out the proper angles. I probably should have made so the origin point was on the side or something. Make it easier to work with. I could just, I don't know. Let's just test this out real quick instead of finagling it a bunch. The idea of this level is that it'll reflect everything back to you. Is that 45? Is that less than 45? Do I want it to be at 45? Yeah, maybe I shouldn't. No, I should have it flat there, yeah. Wait, what? That one lined up perfectly. What the hell? Okay, hang on, maybe I can do it right this time. There, okay. So get rid of that. And get rid of that. And that. Wait, is that a different angle? I think that is. Yeah. There we go. Much better. And then should I rotate it in once? Where have I learned to program a GDScript? Just by making games. System 2, yeah, System 1 ending with the boss battle. Yeah, I want to do another boss battle today. Probably isn't a very accurate parabola. Let's get rid of you. And all of you. We'll put the turret ship in thereabouts. And I feel like I will want some patrol points just to like give it a little movement. Something like that. And just have it fly around in there. Get rid of these. Rurikhan Jam win? Yeah, I don't know. Maybe. Have to violate as many Geneva Conventions as possible, Game Jam. Let's see. White smoke clouds that obscure part of the map. Yeah, okay, now see this, the challenge is avoid its attacks while hitting it without getting hit. Because the parabola style level is supposed to redirect all the bullets towards you, right? Except it's not right now. Oh, maybe if I... Okay, hold up. If I had these lined up, right? something. Okay, there we go. That one, and then I do another that's like this. Something like that. Yeah, there we go. And I'll just put some rocks here at the entrance so you don't get confused. Oh, it reflects it to a center point, not their origin. Oh yeah, that's true. If I do a warp kind video, I have to credit you. Yeah, this definitely isn't doing a center point. It's just, it's kind of funny. I think it's not that, it could be challenging. Yeah, there we go. Maybe I should put 2 in there. I feel like that might be fun. Have a couple in there. Yeah, definitely doable. Yeah, I'm digging this. I can get behind this level. Seems a little more challenging than I thought. Yeah, okay, that's doable. I'll go with that. And I don't really need to bake this, but whatever, it looks nicer. And we'll put the parabola level there. Okay, next up, one more of these. What do I want to do? Try 4 or what? Looked pretty cool from the video I saw. Oh, thanks. Do you plan a spinning mirror stage? Oh, I didn't think of that. I should do that. How's my big old sand desert shooter coming? Just waiting for someone to make some my friend to make some sound effects, and then I can finally make the next devlog. But it's coming along pretty good. I've added a bunch of guns and some new cool stuff. I can't wait for the next devlog though. I'm gonna be finally doing some like open world level design and stuff and adding a bunch of content. Yeah, rotation and mirrors. Let's do that. See, duplicate. Orbiting mirrors. Okay, and let's have, so I need a level base. Let's see, spatial, spin base. I should really just, I should save this as a scene. What am I doing? Loop that, 20. Zoom out, there we go. So, rotation, keyframe that. Put it at 20, set it to 360. Keyframe that. And then, save this as a scene. There we go. Rotating mirror shield around a boss would be super tough. I was thinking of having a boss that had shields on it and it covers one line, one side of the map, and then it opens up to like release fighter ships and stuff like that, and you have to like shoot the openings and stuff. Rotating mirror shield around a boss would be cool though, also. I should try that, actually, like... let's see. Let's see... Get rid of these and these. Let's see, bullet reflector. Put you under the base, put the navigation under the base, put... Yeah, that's good, that's everything. Okay, so we have this. Let's see, I wanted to try putting this at the center, sort of. Is that where the spin base center? That is. Let's move it over a bit. Turret ship, move you to here. Bullet reflector. I guess I should rotate this. Oh, that looks weird. It looks more like a shield on both sides, you know? It's not really needed code-wide, but it looks better. I don't know. I could just leave it. Let's just do that. I think players can figure it out, and it's easier for me. Put you there. Oh, let's use a smaller... No, that's fine. We'll just do this. And this. Oh, and let's add a small reflector. Is that right? Yeah. Oh, and it needs to be adjusted. Hang on. This should be, is it forward or back? No, this is small. We want large. The small bullet reflector. We're moving it back by 0.5. There. And there we go. Drop you here. That's fine. Just in like that. There we go. All the dabs. Can you sell your Udemy courses on Gumroad? Probably. I haven't really looked into it. Do people want me to? The thing, I don't know what like their fees are. I'm like pretty happy with Udemy because if people use my referral link, I get a huge chunk of it, you know. So it's like whatever for me. It's a good deal for me. I would like it to curve more. Just realized we're both making commercial games. When did you realize that? When you read the title? Let's see. I could join it like that. No, that might give awkward angles. I'll do it. No, I'll just do it by hand. No one will notice. Get rid of that. Why is it not appearing properly? Why isn't it lining up right like it is on the other side? It should be rotating at the center. What? Oh, I think I rotated it wrong. No, that's correct. Okay, there we go. Doesn't that clash? I'll push it in to prevent issues. Gonna make the colliders line up properly. I could probably set this up to work with like a special class or something, like a curve class or something like that. Then it wouldn't matter; it would just generate it all. But that would be time and effort. There we go. Okay, and then get rid of this. put these here. And let's put in a fighter ship here. And let's bake this. Whoa, what was that? What? Why is it doing that? What the hell? Why isn't it baking this? Oh, because it's not under the thing, right? What is up with that animation? Okay, hold up. Your animation is screwed up. Okay, so it starts at... Oh, it's not starting at 0. There we go. That's what the problem was. Wait, it starts at 0 here, though. What the hell? Oh, maybe I messed up the local copy. Okay, now it seems to be working. All right. Maybe it should be 2, like 2 mirrors. So you have to be careful not to bounce them back at you or something. There we go. That's kind of cool. I like that. I dig it. I'm good with that. Let's see. Adding in reflectors. Oh, hey, Cookie Penny. Have I seen you? I feel like I've seen you before on chat. Am I playing a Christmas game? Nah. I'm too busy on my current games. I was thinking of last year around Christmas, I was thinking it'd be fun to make Christmas but Dark Souls. If there was a Souls-like. Just make some like gritty Christmas horrifying knockoff. Just remember, you played through the game last night and noticed an issue on one of the maps. What was the issue? Was it the one map with all the bouncy, cubes in it? Or squares, and one of them you went through it, because I fixed that one. Borders have one, borders, it's uncollidable. Yeah, I fixed that one. It's pinball, I think, right? Okay, so we got... Let's go here. Uh-oh. Did it crash? Okay. That worked. Is this level? Oh, I brought in the wrong thing, right? I just brought in a scene. That's not what I want. I wanted this one. Double select. Oh, the hardest thing about this one is just not being able to bounce off the walls, but yeah, you can get it. It's pretty simple after a bit. There we go. Why is that one... What is wrong with that one? What is wrong with that fighter ship? It's like... Oh, I think I made it a child of that. I don't want to do that. That's what it was. Need another idea for an enemy in your game. How about a rocket launcher that shoots people? Nice. Oh, and I need to make so when you get to the last level, if current level index is equal to level s dot size is greater than or equal to that, load main menu. Where's, oh, return to main menu. There we go. I should have just called that load to main menu. Oh well. The pilot saw itself in the mirror and got dizzy. I can run really fast. Boston Dynamic stuff. Yeah. Sideways cylinder. Oh, I see what you mean. It's like, how could a cylinder be sideways? Oh no, I like the idea of a rocket launcher that shoots humans that attack you. Okay, so that was 3 levels. Let's make one more, then I'm gonna make a new enemy type. Let's open the template and drop in the spin base. I should move these off. They're less in the way. Okay, there we go. Duplicate this. I don't know, I'll call it shrapnel. You'll make a rocket launcher enemy. Tron Wall is the next enemy. Except it's not going to be a Tron Wall, it's going to look different. But it'll have the same mechanics, basically. Wait, what am I listening to? Oh yeah, this is still StarCraft. Yeah, there's some nice music in StarCraft. Alright, so this one was gonna have a bullet reflector, kind of like oh, what if I did it like the spiral level, you know? The spiral level but made out of reflectors. I like that. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna call it reflective spiral. I can get rid of all of these probably. We'll just see. We'll just leave in a bunch of these ships. I don't need the other ships. Put you on here. Wait, how did I do it in the other level? It needs to be more spiraled. Let's see. Top view, there we go, that's much easier to work with. Let's bring the music back. Why did it stop? Yeah, that seems good. And then just move this down. Actually, it should be higher on the other side, because that's not where the player starts, right? More of a gap is definitely needed there. How does it look baked? Alright, it's too much, not enough space. Move it back a bit. A little more. There we go. Now I can try to force through it. See what that looks like when played. Oops, it's not gonna spell spiral. When I get a bot set up, I should have it answer the Windows XP question. Round ship. This one's playing different. Oops. How did I do it on the original? Okay, that's how I had it. That's what I should style it after. I should just bring that level in or something. Yeah, let me just duplicate this level. Oops, not you. Delete you and duplicate you. Oh, that was cool. Damn. It definitely adds another layer to it, I feel like. Because you can try to bounce the bullets off the walls to hit them. Right? Which actually makes it easier, I feel like. Damn. Oh, that was cool. Oh, I just hit myself there. Okay, that's a good level. Level manager. Reflector spiral. Nice. I like reusing level themes, but with like new mechanics. So it feels good to be able to add that on. Ah, it's 4 levels down. Let's add the new mechanic. I'm gonna run to the bathroom real quick. Back. There we go. So let's see. What do I want to do? Ram ship. I'm going to take you, duplicate you. We'll call you a police ship. Somebody suggested police, I think, before. Oh, whoops. There we go. Okay. I always forget that. Okay, so... Cargo B, maybe? I feel like Cargo B makes a cool police ship. I also have the Miner. Which, I mean, it could face the other way, but... I like Cargo B for a police ship. That trails. It, like, chases you, but it doesn't move as fast. Let's see, Cargo B. Doesn't use guns, so I'm not gonna worry about that. Now I need a, let's see, change its move speed. Let's decrease its max speed significantly. I want a spawner that'll spawn death things, but let's just test this out in a scene real quick, see what it looks like. Let's see, template. First, police ship. Get rid of you. you. Get rid of you. Holy shit. Oh, it should be called holy shit. Oh no. I deleted everything on the templates and god damn. Why does it do that? Why is it like it forgets everything I did and then it's like refuses to undo because I switched scenes or something? So stupid. Okay, rename you template 2 and then put you, rename you to first place ship, rename you back to template. There we go. Okay, now we're back there. Okay, so now we have the holy shit. And get rid of the bullet reflector. And I feel like these guys should have a lot more health. 6, let's see what these look like. Oh, I clicked the screen. There. Okay, so you can hit it. Let's add in maybe these rocket effects. So like, what? What the hell? When I rotate this, it just rotates those. Okay, I need to put that off. Siren. Just leave you on there. There we go. Maybe there. So your transform is at 0.1, we'll say, and you're at negative 0.1, and then I'll give you each a separate make unique. And then let's see. There. So you have one U red. What? And one of you blue. What? Okay, that didn't work. This one. No, wait. Oh, it's because I didn't change the other one, right? This. No, it was for this material. Okay, no, it was this second one, right? No. What did I change? Was it you? Oh yeah, that was right. Okay. There, and I need to copy the material to here. And on you, copy this to here. Okay, and then I can like make an animated or something. Let's see. Can I animate you? Flash. I can. Sick. So I'll have it go to there. Let's see, what's your color? This one, right? Material 0 on here. That's correct. I could just straight up grab, oh, and that broke it if I did that, that's dumb. Okay, so we're gonna grab your color, create property there, copy in that, keyframe that, duplicate that, then I will go onto you, grab and keyframe your color, no. Duplicate your color, there, and then copy this. Something like that, but definitely needs like an interim of white, I think. There we go. How do real sirens look? Maybe I should have that go quicker, I feel like. Not the animation itself, maybe just like the way it scrolls between them or something. Like that. So 0.6. Maybe it should be more offset. That does look better, I think. And it's like one of them is white when the other is a color. They're kind of... It should... There... Duplicate? Is that right? Oh, there. Duplicate that. Duplicate that. There. That's too fast, but if I slow that down, I think it'll look better. Is this a first-person game? No. It's. If you saw my last video, I'm turning that, or not my last video, my last 4 devs video. I'm turning that game into a full game. I think that looks pretty good. So let's go onto here. I think that's pretty noticeable. Full screen would probably be better. Yeah, it's just a detail, so it's definitely noticeable enough. There we go. And then let's... Oh, these should get moved. There we go. Maybe put one of these over here. And so these now need to trail. What is it? Danger points or something I could call it. Let's see, 3D spawner, spawner. An area. Collision shape. With a sphere on it. Let's see. Kill mode or something. And we'll go under weapons. And I'll have an animation for it. So, just here or something, I don't know. And it'll play over the course of 0.1 seconds or something. And it'll scale it down, but I don't need to worry about that. Let's do graphics. I don't need to worry about it yet. Where is everything? There we go. Let's see. At the end of this, I'll have it called Q Free. go. So it plays that, okay, and I'll play that after a set time. So let's say it'll stay up for 4 seconds. Auto start, shot, I mean that's not necessary, so I'll delete it. Timeout, we'll call play on the animation method. And it will do the string add, will be remove, connect, and we will say set disabled false. There we go. So it'll disable the collision shape and it will call this animation, which will delete it. Then we need to put some graphics on it. Why do so many people put their gameplay streams under game development? Maybe it's their games they're making. Science and tech is a cursed section, yeah. It's hard to find good game dev stuff. I've been scrolling it a bunch, and there's some cool stuff, but there's so much like weird random stuff. Okay, I need to find a graphical asset for this. Let's look at the renders. What looks like you would die if you touched it? Maybe that. We could just make rings of these or something. Put lines through them. These look like mines. Preferably something like spiky.
Yeah, got your Zerg right
here. Oh, hey Sympathy, thanks for the raid. 50 people, damn. What's up, everyone? Well, I guess I should show off the game I'm making. Sympathy is a game dev streamer. Speaking of actually good streams. So, yeah, here's the game I'm working on. I'm trying to make a commercial Steam game in 1 week. Day 3. So you got this ship, it flies towards your mouse, left click to shoot, right click will make it drift, and it bounces off the walls of the map. So I just gotta take out all the enemies, get to the next level, and we got these guys. Continue, and yeah, so you can dodge attacks by strafing and take them out. And raid means that another streamer finished their stream and is sending all their viewers over to you. Oh yeah, so if you are looking for other good game dev streamers, check out Sympathy. Also, let's see. Whoops. And if you want to play test this, I do always put demos of my games on Patreon as I'm working on them. I think I have a link to that in my bio. Let's see, how does this level work? It's you go here. No, it's not that one. How does this one work? I've done this so many times and I can't remember. There, that was it. And then you go here, and then you take that. Oh, I ran into it. Yeah, it gets you if you get to that side, but if you go around it, yeah, there we go. Is your ship supposed to move that quickly? Yeah. Seen your progress, wanted everyone to check it out. Thanks for sending them over here. Cool challenge to make a game in 1 week, yeah. That zombie connected by stomach game for a game jam. You think you saw that on YouTube? That was me, yep. I did also make a game in 1 month at the beginning of the year. And that was like a challenge to make a Steam game in 1 month. I have done. That turned out pretty well. If you want to check that out. I'm more of a YouTuber and just recently getting into streaming. Oops. So these ships try to charge at you, so you gotta navigate around them and not let them hit you. There we go. Could I make a Steam game in 1 hour? I was thinking of, would it be possible to do in 1 day, but I don't think you could do 1 hour. No, that would literally, I don't think you could do 1 hour. Maybe a mobile game in 1 hour. Like a Flappy Bird knockoff or something, you know? Okay. There we go. How much sleep have I gotten so far? Actually, quite a bit. I'm pretty good about sleeping enough. I haven't streamed it all today before an hour and 20 minutes ago, actually. Yeah, I had a bunch of errands to run today. There we go, nice. That is the technique. Do your games play with controllers as well? Nah, I typically only do mouse and keyboard because I didn't really use a controller setup for the longest time. That one almost. If you line these up, yeah, there we go. You get most of them to hit other ships, and then you're good to go. Take out all the cargo ships. You can't go through the border, you just bounce off. Here we go. This. There we go. Nice. Oh, almost had that one. I had to make so they don't crash into the rocks because otherwise they would always die from that. There we go. This level I really like. It's one of my faves. Let's see. Problem with your own game, playing your own games, is you can beat them much faster than most people will be able to, so you have no idea how long it actually takes to beat your game. Nice. I don't know what playtime I'm going for. Hopefully at least 30 minutes. I'm not going to charge a ton of money, just like $3 for the game. I use Godot, yeah. More advanced version of my last jam game, yeah. Is it auto loss if your ship goes out of bounds? You can't go out of bounds, so. Done the Snake game in less than 15 minutes challenge, but not sure to be polished enough to make a commercial. You should check out my game Snake Lick I made for a jam. That one, I actually seriously considered making a commercial, but I might in the future. I haven't yet. It was like that game or this game kind of thing. Getting F-Zero meets Asteroids vibes. Somebody said it looked like a Mega Drive, was it? I don't know. Let me see. What's it? A Mega Drive or something? No, that's a music. What? Game? I don't know. There was some game somebody said it looked like. And I don't know what it was. Last stream, I can't remember. Mega Race, yeah. Okay, so this is a boss fight, so you have to basically avoid it while it shoots at you, and then take shots at it while it's not shooting. Like there. Oh, I need to adjust the UI on this level for sure, so the restart button's in the center where your ship is. Ah, damn, almost. And I need to add a health bar for sure. Some kind of health indicator. People are saying the engine colors, but I think I might just put a clear health bar at the bottom of the screen because it'll work also for other bosses that I include. There we go. Who subbed? I just saw. Thanks, Codemaster, for the sub. What's going on in chat? Sneak away. Go get him. Enforcer. Mega Race announcer. I'll have to look at that. Are you only using assets from the game jam? Yeah, because I wouldn't be able to make my own in a week. So yeah, this level has reflective walls. So you have to be careful not to shoot yourself. Let's see. You gotta line up your shots carefully. Oh, I actually wasn't dead there. I didn't need to hit restart. Damn. Okay. There we go. Maybe like add 1 to 3 hit shield? Nah, it's not as fun. The quick restarts and 1 hit to die is the main appeal here. I'm all about that kind of game. I was thinking of adding a shield you could pick up though that would let you take like 1 hit or something, or let you take all damage for the next. Oh, it just flew into the middle there and took out the other ship. That's kind of funny. Yeah. Should I make so that it doesn't do that? I should probably change its position so it won't fly into the middle there. Yeah, I gotta change its position so that won't happen. 3-second start shield, maybe? Maybe. That would be a good idea. Like not 3 seconds, that would be too long, but like 1 second. Spawns randomly every 5 seconds, you lose it. The levels aren't long enough to need. Yeah, I need to adjust that so it doesn't fly in there. The levels aren't long enough to warrant that many shields. I think just like a 1 second start shield would be good enough. Oops, I shot myself. Nice. And that's all the levels there. So let's see, I need to make. So right now I'm trying to find some graphics for make a low poly Earth level. You have to dodge the orbit of the moon to destroy a spaceship. People are suggesting making scrolling levels with like asteroids that scroll in, which I am down to do. Ooh, this looks good. I could use the rocket top. Definitely, yeah. I could use that for the kill node. Rocket top. Yeah, I like the way the rocket top looks. Maybe combine that with the structure here. What's it called? Structure detailed. Okay, rocket top and structure detailed. I'll add those assets in. That's in the rocket top structure detailed. Drop that in. And the rocket top, where is it? Rocket top A and B, I'll see which one looks better. Is the goal just to make it to the end, or about having any score? Just to make it to the end, it's just kind of arcadey. But I do want to make a speedrun mode, or just like a timer that shows, you know, how much time you have. Wormhole portal to go from level to level. Some people are suggesting making the ship just fly off screen, like go up on the Z-axis, which I like. I might do that. And I don't have to make a whole wormhole level. What about play against best play time ghost ship? Then I'd have to make a whole replay system, or record everything the player did. This isn't doable in 1 week. I mean, it probably is, I just don't want to do it in 1 week, because that's not as fun. Wait, where is it? Rocket top, there we go, okay. So first off, add you, and then I gotta deal with all the graphics being offset here. Clear out you. Okay, so that is not centered now. It needs to be down by -0.5, and then add in the rocket top A. Oh no, I don't want that one. I want the spiked one. Rocket top B, and recenter you, and something like that. Let's see. So that is, what is that at? Transform is 0.5 and 0. That seems good. And then rotate it up. Move it up. 0.5, yeah. And 0. Whoops. Use the infinite probability drive to move levels. Okay. Can I just move you down one? Oh, sweet. What time is the draw? 5? Yeah. And then rotate you. There we go. I think that kind of looks cool. If it's spun, it should spin. I should give it the random spin thing. Where is the random? No, meteor. Where? You have this script. What is this script called? Oh, it's just called meteor. That gives it a random rotation, which I like. I should just put, yeah, that is just a random rotation thing. Okay, I could just put this onto the graphics thing and rotator, I'll call it. And get rid of you out here. Put this under the rotator, add in the meteor script. There we go, load that, so now it'll rotate randomly when it comes in. Auto-generated levels would be really tough for this. I'm more into handcrafted levels anyways. Let's see. I feel like it's a lot more fun. I'm not sure. Yeah, let's just err on making it smaller. And let's change the materials. So I'm going to need to make, let's kill node material. That will be under weapons. New resource, material, and I'll call this a kill node mat. And then that'll be red, I guess. Should I do 2 colors, or should I just make it all one flat color? I feel like it should just be one flat color. It'll be easier to read that way. So we'll say that, and flags unlit. And then I'll just drop it on all of these. Oh, dang, I should have done this before I separated all these out. Or can I still do this? Will it go on all of them? Yeah, it will. Okay, cool. There we go. And then one on this. Oh, and I can just drag it down. What am I doing? Okay. Then I need to add in this. So, function body entered. Body physics. Body. There we go. If body dot is in group player, then we want to kill it. And connect down. Body entered to self body entered. And what is the player's kill method? Is it just kill? What is it? Player. That is kill. Wait. That is not on the spaceship controller though, which is what I want. So I should put it on hurt. There we go. That's what it should be on. So body dot hurt. And there we go. So now when it enters this area, and this needs to mask to player. Oh, I can just mask it to the player layer. There we go. I would have to record players' previous runs. Yeah, I've done it before in a game, and it was really difficult and awkward to do. Of course, that game was more of a bullet hell style game. It would do like a slow replay. It was like kind of a super hot style bullet hell. And I would have to do like really slow replays and stuff. Okay, so this spawns in, we'll kill the player, and it should delete after timer. We'll call that. It's auto start, so after 4 seconds it should delete. So now we need to make a kill node spawner. So spatial kill node spawner, add a timer, spawn timer, auto starts, and we'll say, or do I want to spawn them based on distance? I should do it based on distance. I feel like, not on time. Okay, oh, what am I doing? This should be on the ship, not on the level. Spatial kill node spawner. What were the programming steps I took to implement that? briefly, if you don't mind, go look at my devlogs on my YouTube channel. I have one for a game called Bullet Fractals, and I kind of cover it a little bit in there. I tried doing the whole thing where you just you record inputs and you replay it, but the physics were not deterministic. That's the word. So that didn't work. Kill node spawner. So spawn after distance equals, let's say 0.1, and let's say var kill node object equals preload kill node, and function physics process. Let's see, var last spawn point, last spawn position equals, let's just get global transform dot origin. Needs to be on ready. There we go. And if distance, wait, our position equals, if the distance to last spawn position is greater than spawn. Oops. Spawn after distance, then set last spawn position to equal our current position, and then we'll spawn the kill node function. Spawn kill node. Okay. Alright, gotta write this. Var kill node instance equals kill node object dot instance. Oh. And then get that tree dot get root dot add child kill node instance. Set its position to equal our position. There we go. I think that's everything. Let's see if it works. Yeah, Jonathan Blow did have an awesome talk about it. What is this? Oh, whoops, this should be spatial. My professor was really, oh, what? Why is that not working? It's spawning them all in the center there. So this is tied to that, right? It's getting our position. What? Why is it putting that? Why is it putting all of them at the center? The frick? So this is our position. Yeah, if our position is that, and its distance to the last spawn position is greater than the spawn after distance amount, then it sets the last spawn position to equal our position, and it spawns a node. My professor in college did a whole, when he was introducing, I think it was data structures, he did a whole thing on talking about, like the first day, talking about the input and braid, probably referencing that talk. So we instance it. Oh, duh. I don't know what the hell this does. Dot that should equal that. I think that was the problem. What did I major in? Computer science. Okay, there we go. Oh, okay, and then it just glitched out. These need to go into instanced. They get deleted on restart. Yep, there we go. Why aren't they getting deleted after 4 seconds? Has it been forced? Okay, then it freezes. After the timer gets run, it freezes. So something's breaking with this. Is it that? Oh, maybe it is, because that's not referencing anything anymore. So let's add this. free, and let's also reference this graphics scale, and let's scale it down to really small amount. Alright, good night, Third Tier Gaming. After finishing this, make a multiplayer version that has like 2 people or something, and just add that to the main menu. That might be kind of fun, except I haven't made a multiplayer game before, so... And this is fast-paced, real-time multiplayer, so you need like predictive... Oh, hold up. Let's go back to the beginning. There we go. Okay, there we go, and then now you see it go back. Sweet. This should have a much shorter timer though, so it's too difficult with. Yeah. And the spawner should definitely be behind the ship, not on top of it. So like there, and I feel like it should be a lot smaller. So like that's huge. So what if I halved its size like that? Wait, what's its scale there? 0.5. Yeah, I'm good with 0.5. So let's set in here. Do that. There we go. Looks so dope. I think so too. And if I hit it, I die. That's what I want. I feel like it's still too long. It should go quicker. This should delete after 1 second, let's say. And yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's better. I like that. Is the red a good enough color? Though I feel like it probably needs some more something to it. Like it kind of just looks like an effect. Like it doesn't look like it'll kill you if you touch it. One time you had a dream, $600,000 off a game. Yeah, I'd be pissed too if I woke up. You think the mine should explode along with the player and create a train reaction. When you hit it now, it feels kind of dead. Yeah, that's a good idea. How would I do an explosion? So, as it is, what if I made, like, this difference, right? Like, instead of being unshaded, I made you be shaded. Oh. Aren't you... There. What if I did something like that? Or should it be... like that? No, the other way looked cooler. There. I'm gonna try that. Let's see. Save. Kill node mat 2. So the first one on all of these. Yeah, I think that looks a little more visually interesting. Whoops, wrong button. Make it gray. That's too light. I should make it darker. That looks pretty cool actually. I like that idea. Trails these mines. What if they exploded instead of disappearing? Oh, that should not keep, let's see, displaying after it dies. Let's add function disable. Enable equals true. Oh wait, I could just say set physics process false. There we go. Then on death, disable it. I don't like that style. Contrasts with the inner part nicely. There we go. Yeah. You see it disappearing. What if it's scaled out? Function explode, and we will say dot play remove, and we will collision shape dot set disable equals true, and then I can just take it off of this and have this just call explode on the main part. There we go. And this will, what if this scaled it up instead? What if it scaled it up like that? How would that look? Could I fade it out? I'd have to make it transparent though for that. Oh, whoops, I screwed up the... It's kind of annoying if you put the animation thing back at the beginning and it'll still affect it if you put it in the wrong spot. Perhaps. Yeah, I think it needs some particles to go with it. Some kind of explosion effect. Like this explosion effect here. Maybe the one that's on the bullets. Does a new one appear? No, you just beat the level when you destroy an enemy. What does this spawn? Oh, it's explosion effect. Bullet hit explosion. Okay. So I could just make this unique. You could have more, maybe? Let's see about 8. And emission shape sphere with a larger area, maybe like 1.0. Let's see what that looks like. If I have this, go property. Now you have to click it here, turn it on. Maybe I should move it down. Nah, it should be fine, right? Let's see what it looks like. Oh, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. That looks cool. How many levels am I shooting for? 50, I think. Today I'm gonna hit 30, so I'm trying to do 10 a day. So, oh, how many levels am I shooting for? Huh, nice. I mean, maybe I'll go more though. Depends the last couple of days. The last couple of days are probably just gonna be polish and stuff, setting up the Steam page. Let's see, explosion effect. I need to make the node explode when you hit something. Exploded equals false. Equals true. Here we go. Prevents bugs from happening with that. Oh, it should get all the surrounding ones for sure. Yeah, right now it does make that one explode, but it should trigger all the nearby ones. Okay, explode nearby bombs is definitely something that should happen. Can the bombs be pies? No. Okay, so you should be on a bomb layer. Settings. Physics layers. Where is physics layers? 3D physics layers. Bombs. Push you on this layer. Come on. Add in an area with a collision shape. This will be bomb detector. And this will have a sphere. It'll just get the nearby. Yeah, I think that's a good area. This will detect the bombs nearby. So we'll just say bomb detector.get overlapping bodies for bomb in that. Bomb.explode, and then it will explode every single one of them, right? Let's see, it might need some kind of delay though. Actually, it should be fine. Well, no, actually, yeah, okay. I'll have to, maybe I'll put that in the animation so it won't be instant, right? Why didn't that didn't do what I wanted it to do. Maybe it's not large enough of an area. Add a hard mode where why doesn't that still explode? Is it getting the nearby ones? Let's see how many it hits. If it's doing it, if it's working. No, it's not. What the hell? So this should be getting all the overlapping bodies with this one, which are all in this area. It is masking to the bombs layer. We are on the bombs layer. What the hell? Why does that not return anything? Is it just not possible to get overlapping bodies when you're in this phase or something? Alright, what if I just say that? I force it. Be as large as possible. Still nothing. Hurts absolutely nothing. Okay, am I gonna have to go through the awful pain, shitty instant call for this? Okay. Oh, let me get some music. It changed. Let's put on what music? Let's do this. Okay, so playing as the enemies against an AI player. I don't know how you would do that. You'd have to make a pretty smart AI. Okay, so obviously this is the worst method ever in Godot. It's the most unreliable shit method. I hate using this. Get overlapping bodies. Oh, never mind, it's because I'm an idiot and I was using bodies instead of areas. I just realized that's why. There, that's what I was doing. does it delete them all instantly? There, okay, so it made them all explode, which I don't want. So what I'm going to do is say explode nearby. Explode nearby. And I will have that called from the animation. So it'll call it after a little bit. So let's say here we will add another call method track. Say explode nearby. Here we go. Oh, what? That, oh, it's because damn animation player. What? Why is it calling them? What? I mean, that looks kind of cool how it's playing it there, but why is it? Is it because this is set emitting or something? Okay, there we go. I think that did it. The way I need to test though is I will make this last way longer, like 4 seconds, let's say. So I'll have it come over here, and there you go, you see it go in both ways. That might be too slow actually. That's kind of cool though. If you get it to overlay on itself, you can get it to delete the trail. The thing is you can't shoot these, and I feel like intuitively you would want to shoot them. I feel like I need like a different effect or something to maybe say it's like these are energy instead of, you know, non-energy. These are made of energy instead of, you know, matter bombs or something. Because I would like to do mines also that you can shoot. I was thinking of doing that, but I don't know. You can shoot that would explode nearby things. I'll have to do a different effect for that or something. Okay, let's just make this an official level here. Okay, there we go. And I need to make when they die, they actually freeze instead of ship mover. When you die, kill. Ship mover dot freeze. Is that a method? I'm pretty sure I wrote a freeze method. Yeah, I did. Okay. There we go. Now it stays in the same spot. That's what I wanted. Okay, that looks cool. I feel like I should make them out of the same stuff as... No, not the walls. Because maybe I should actually make them kind of out of the same color as the walls, because you can shoot through the walls. So the player would associate that color with shooting over them, but the red ones you can shoot and explode. Let me see. Where are the bounce block walls mesh instance? Maybe this color. What if I put you onto this? And I want full screen. Does that work better? Because I feel like you don't associate being able to shoot through that, you know? What if I just made so it exploded the next one in the chain instead of exploding the ones nearby? I feel like that might be better. some kind of, like the spawner keeps track of it or something, instead of just saying get the nearby ones. So I feel like that could be confusing. Or not, I don't know. It'd be kind of cool to play with, probably. You like it now with the explosions? Add bouncy asteroids? I have the... This is like what you associate with bouncing right now. I mean, that does... Of course, then it wouldn't detonate, would it? I just feel like you would expect to be able to shoot through that. Maybe you should be able to shoot through that. Like, it looks too much like matter. Maybe I should make... Fill map. And then map number 2 should be unshaded. And then it's 2 unshaded ones, so it looks like pure energy or something. One of them is blue. Very colorful. But it definitely doesn't look like something you could shoot now. Okay, let's go with that level for now. We'll see what playtests just say. Level manager. Add on the new level. Yeah, I don't think I'll get to a boss fight today. It's too late. I'm just gonna try to get to my 10 levels here. So let's see. I'll try duplicate this. What did I call it? There we go. Add in the Ram ship. Now it looks bouncy. I could change the color again. Yeah, it's true, it does look bouncy. And that ship should not be there, because then you can't fly through. And I should change the environment to make it more unique. You need to make the last bomb explode when it dies. That would be cool. I could do that. Explode. I could do that pretty easily. I don't know. I feel like it would... Maybe. That'd be worth it. Okay, I think that's a decent level right there. Maybe they should shoot instead. Should be small fighter ships. Oh, but then they would just shoot the main ship, wouldn't they? Yeah, they would just shoot that ship. Okay, I'm not doing that. Okay, and let's make, I'm gonna duplicate the spiral level. And, whoops. Duplicate it. And I will replace it. Oh wait, let's put on the levels here. this level, and then put in this level again. This time it will have the police ones. I'll just put in 2. It'll be over here maybe? I forgot where I put it before. No, not that one. Yeah, I put them at the bottom. Okay, here we go. Now you have to be careful where you go. I feel like it's mostly psychological. That it's like making it harder because ship-wise it's pretty much the same. Let's see. I'll just add that in. See what people think. Oh, music. Why does music keep stopping? Let's. Let's do. Yeah, let's listen to this. What is the gap in the blue for? What gap in what blue? A ship that you need to protect and the enemy's target unless you're in a 5-meter range? Nah, that would be too awkward. That goes completely against the spirit of the game as it is right now. I want to make like a spin level. Under the asteroids on this level, I mean this gap here. That's a nav mesh right there. So that's kind of the path they'll try to stay on. So duplicate this and put in you and you2. Move you under the spin base here. Get rid of you. Get rid of you two. And get rid of the cargo ship. Can't have it on spinning levels. Yep. Maybe I should put in a turret ship or something, right at like a corner or something. Let's just spread these out, see how it looks. That is really hard. With the gunner there. Yeah. You definitely have to like... Okay, I'm seeing how this is forming. I like how this works. You want to make cover with the asteroid. You have to make sure that you can't shoot through it. Let's see. So you'll want to stay behind cover the whole time, or most of the time, so the turret ship can't get you as you move around it. Evade the police ships and get pot shots off on that. Oh no. Oh, I worked on the wrong one. Oh well. Change this to... And I'll just rename that to template. Man, I've done that so many times. There we go. Okay. So yeah, you have to stay in cover here, but then that ship comes for you. Okay, starting to see the shape of this level. So you want to move over here, get some shots off, take that shit out, stay behind, take that one out, stay behind cover, get behind this, take out that one, dodge here, take it out. Nice, that's a cool level. Got it. That was a good level. I dig it. Wait, was that right? Oh no, did I made the wrong thing. I just deleted the wrong level, I think. Oh, never mind, I just renamed the wrong one. Okay, thank God. That'll be Spiral. Got rid of Diffuser. Okay, Spiral, rename you to Cluster. Rename you to Spiral. And then you are not temp. Oh, damn. That's template. There we go. I think that's like the third time I've made the template level into the level instead of the one I duplicated. Okay. This is level. So now I've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 levels today. Okay. 2 more, and then I'm done. This is definitely the hardest one I've made. How did I do this before? Yeah. Go here. It's almost like a puzzle. You gotta figure out the right... Oh yeah, if I go that way, I can go this way, take out those ships. Oh hey, what's up, Eric? I keep forgetting I need to mod you. Hang on. 95. There we go. Yeah, that was too fast. Next. And then we have this. Oh, that is too fast. I feel like we should focus on the turret ship. Definitely a time measurement is going to be added, like just a simple timer that shows how long it's, I don't know, how long you've spent on a level and overall in the game. Okay, cool. I just got that one. There we go. Damn, that's tough. Why is my itch name different? Because I couldn't get the Miz name, my username, And I didn't think to just do it with a different amount of IZs. Those down. Nardier is just an old LAN party name I had. This a release or plan on updating after launch? Yeah, I'll do bug fixes and stuff. People have like major issues with stuff. Let's see. I want to do something with like flankers and stuff. Ooh, I should just do just a bunch of cargo ships and police ships. To unlock ship skins, then I'd have to make ship skins. Thing is like, I just want to make my other game. I just want to make a game and finish it, because I'm addicted to making games and finishing them. But I also just want to work on my main Dallas League game. Both of you. Deleted, add in the police. Ship. Also, I'm partly making this because I need to make something to sell to help pay my bills. Usually, courses and stuff, sales tend to peter off after a few months. So you just have to make something new every couple of months. Pay bills. Okay, so what if I did that? And I still need to do some kind of object avoidance. Small, simple object avoidance. There's this song. It's Transistor The Spine. Okay, how does this play? Definitely need some kind of object avoidance, but I'll deal with that later. What are you doing? One more level. Do something here. I still need a beat transistor. I got it ages ago. I think I just unfortunately got it after I lost interest in playing games because I got too much into making them. Let's call this. Let's put you here. And I'll put 2 turrets inside. And let's see. That face when you speedrun game dev. 'Tis life. Who else is like that? There's Stuffed Wombat. He just churns out interesting demos. It's like what he does. It should be the small one. There we go. This is from Transistor still. I forget what it's called. It's like the beach song or something. All of Darren Korg's music has a pretty recognizable style though, so it makes sense. Wait, did I? Oh, I did duplicate that. All of you go under the spin base. Beneath that, there we go. Let's see how this looks. Oh, yeah, okay, that's the problem. I think it needs to move forward a bit. This. Move forward. Kind of encourage you to go to the bottom instead of the top. Level with rotating bounce walls. Oh, I didn't think of that. Okay, and then I need to also, I think I need to move these so maybe they're both at the top or something. Because right now, as soon as you move out, you get shot. Yeah, they're both aligned in your direction. What if I had one here, actually, like right inside? And then I could also place like something out there to kind of help ward off the shots that come at you. Wait, no, then they're gonna get stuck. They don't have enough of a area to go around. I should just make it have a tighter view angle here. Oh, whoops, I made them all face the wrong way. Oh well, that kind of looks cool too, I guess. Right. Never touched Bastion. That used to be my favorite game ever. Nobody played Bastion, sadly. Wait, Bastion came out 11 years ago. Most popular game I ever played. 9 years ago, okay. Yeah, they're doing really well. Bastion was awesome. I really liked that game. It was like my favorite game ever for a while. Damn, okay. So this one you gotta figure out. Oops. You definitely need to like... Okay, I think it needs to maybe spawn a little more inwards or something. There. Then you can get a better angle on that. Oh, and then I hit myself. Okay. You have to be careful not to hit yourself on those. Yeah, that's a cool level. I like it. Which I should put it here, I feel like. You beat Pyre, nice. Played Hades beta, haven't touched the full release. Yeah, didn't get Transistor since it was so short. Oh, is it short? I never beat it. Transistor mechanics on the Metroidvania. There were some cool mechanics in it. I'm surprised nobody knows Transistor or Bastion. Thought those games were like huge hits. Alright, well I did my 10 levels for the day and I added a bunch of new mechanics. So I think I'm gonna go to sleep. It's getting late. So I will see you all tomorrow. Let's find someone to make a level where the asteroids are completely contained by a fractal wall. I mean, I could do that. I think I have kind of done that. Let's find someone to raid. So, science and tech. Oh, Retro MMO's back online. Oh, Michael Reeves is on. The only one who gets over like a few hundred viewers. Oh, let's raid someone small who actually like benefit. How is this science and technology? You need dev, ask your game dev questions. 12 hours every day study. Is there any game developers on? UE4 practice. Live COVID stats, resident schools. What's a good stream to actually, what's this? Oh, it's in Korean. Okay, never mind. Definitely not doing these. Let's see, not that. Is there anything game development on that looks cool? Anyone working on any cool games? Alright, who should I host? Is Retro MMO, should I host him? Hosted him yesterday, it was pretty cool. This game looks interesting, work on an MMO. Yeah, we could host him. Let's see, wait, what was the other person? Oh, that was Twitch stats, yeah, I don't care about that. Oh, it's an ad. Nope, I'm not watching you. So, yeah, we'll do Retro MMO. So, raid you. Are you live? Alright, what? Why is there... There's another ad? Okay, I really need to figure out how to ad block Twitch. I'm like gonna look into it and I'm gonna figure it out. So I was looking at some stuff and it looks kind of complicated. Like Twitch just patched out new fix. Alright, here we go. Alright, see you guys. Let's raid Retro MMO. Thanks for joining. See you tomorrow.
Take on new jobs and get through school and change, and then I'm just here just doing the same shit every
Good night.
I'll be here forever, assuming Twitch still exists in the future. Well, yeah, here doesn't necessarily mean Twitch. It's fine.
Well, Twitch is the future.